Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I went to CVS today. Today is Monday. Went to CVS and this is what I got. Candy was 75% off. The toilet tissue was 75% off. And the Gain detergent, and this is a big one. This is the 92 fluid ounces. They were on sale for $11.94. And I had $3 off, no, $2 off coupon. Plus I had, buy $40 worth, get $5 off. That's why I used this. And I also had a $10 in, my $10 was in Care Pass rewards. So I was able to use that. Then I got back $10, so it was a great deal. All right, so let me just go through my receipt for you so you'll know exactly what I did. And look at this. This is ridiculous. That receipt, you can just barely see it. But anyway, so the candy was reduced. It was, each one of these bags of candy was, let's see. It was $1.40. Each bag was $1.40. I bought 4 bags of Kit Kats and 4 bags of Reese's. I'm going to send those to my grandkids, the ones in California and the ones in New Jersey. I'm going to send it to them. So I bought that. And what else did I buy? Oh, I bought this caramel. I bought this. Anyway, it's popcorn. It's good. But it's mixed with caramel crunch. And it's delicious. So it's $4.19. So they charge a lot for that. But it's good. The thing about it is that it has a really good taste. So I bought that in this transaction. And I also bought 2 Hershey Bars, which I put away. And and the Hershey Bars were, what were they, $1.43? They were $1.43. Anyway, guys, all in all, I paid $1.26 for that. This here candy, all this candy, and that was $1.46. I didn't get anything back, but I used $10 in Care Pass, and I also had $10 that I used, so I used $20. And didn't get anything back, but I wanted to spend up my Care Pass before it expires, and then I don't use it and it goes to waste, so I didn't want it to go to waste. My next transaction, guys, was for the Gain detergent. And each one, like I said, was 11. Did it ring up 11.94 and 11? They rang up 11.99. But I used the $2 off coupons. I had a $5 off laundry, and then I had $10 in Care Pass. So that brought me down to $24.96 that I had to pay out of pocket before tax. But I got back $10, which it was well worth it. I had a $5 off of 40, and I wanted to use it. That's why I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought 4 of them, and to pay $24.96, and then you take the minus the $10 off of $24.96. That's $14.96. Oh, excuse me. That's $14.96 for all 4 of these. Less than, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 8, 12. Less than $3 for each bottle. And those are the 92-ounce bottles. All right? And like I said, this receipt is messed up. Look at that. Look at that. Next time they take me to that cash register, I'm going to tell them don't use that one for me, because I do stuff with my receipts. And then there's the $10 back. All right, so that's all that I got from CVS. I'm not trying to buy up a whole lot of stuff. And you know this tissue here, I'm going to give it to my son because it says that it's septic safe. So it's good for the septic tank. All right. And then it says that here it says that it's women owned. So maybe it's a company that's made by women. All right. So I bought it 84 cents for each one. All right, so I might go back and get some more. I don't know. I have to see. All right, guys, so this is all that I got. Oh, and I also got these. They have these are free. They pack up a little bag, and that's a sinus rinse. It's Med rinses your sinus, and it has some Claritin in it. It also has a small bottle of, what is this? Small bottle of Aquaphor, and it is probably for your lips. All right, small bottle of Aquaphor. I'm sure there's some coupons in there. So I picked up some of those from CVS. They're free. Took 4. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up the video, share the video, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Love you much. Bye-bye.